All right, I'll first introduce about Astron Institute of International Studies, Gurgaon. As we are all aware, we're an academic vertical of the Astron Hospital and Healthcare Consultant. So a lot of apprehensions, there were a lot of students who came to us with the apprehension that what kind of changes and what kind of things are going to change once British Council turns into IDP to conduct the exams. So we thought that it was the need of the hour, and we thought this is the right presentation and this is the right time when we should come with our talented IELTS trainer, Miss Survi Chopra. She's a CELTA trainer herself, and she is a certified CELTA trainer, and she has experience of around 8 years of teaching, which is commendable, Survi. And I mean, she's taken out students with the best of the bands. I've seen her TRFs, I've seen the kind of testimonial she has got for herself, and truly impressed by that. Would like to hand over to Surbi to take over the webinar from here. Over to you, Surbi.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Very good evening. So as Ms. Mehak has informed you, today I'll be giving you a basic know-how, first of all, about the IELTS, and just in case if there are any apprehensions about British Council switching over to IDP. So now I'll be sharing a few very frequently asked questions with you.
Should you be worried about IDP being the only official test provider in India? Do you think that things are going to be complicated by that, Surbi?
Okay. So this is a very frequent question that is coming up to all of us at the moment. And a very clear and simple answer is no. IDP is actually not going to change as many things as people are, in a panic mode, due to which the only thing that is going to change, however, is the fact that maybe IDP is not going to conduct the test in the same cities as British Council all across the country. Otherwise, the parameters of checking, the paper checking, the patterns, everything stays absolutely the same. So there is no change whatsoever in the IDP being the only official test provider in India now.
That's wonderful, because in my counseling sessions I face this question so many times, ma'am, ab kya hoga? Are the papers going to get?
Thank you so much, everybody, for being here. It was really nice talking to you, and we are looking forward to have you with us very soon in the classes as well.